Here's what's making news on Roadshow. Usually when a vehicle manufacturer issues a product recall, the fix is relatively simple. Change a plug here, a module there, and Bob's your uncle. Subaru's recall for 293 of its new ASCENT SUVs is not that simple, and affected owners are getting a whole new car. The recall stems from a lack of spot welds in the vehicle's B-pillar, and that means there's no easy fix, but good on Subaru for tackling the issue head on. Do you live in the UK and have a new all-wheel drive Volvo that you love, but wish was slightly more fun on a twisty road? Volvo's in-house speed merchants POLESTAR may have a software-based solution for you that will retune the car's all-wheel drive software to give the car a rear-wheel drive bias by redistributing torque. These are truly futuristic and exciting times we live in, and we can't wait to get one of these retuned cars out on a canyon road, provided they bring them to the US, of course. Volkswagen can't seem to get out of its own way when it comes to environmental issues. First, we had Dieselgate, and now it's looking like upwards of 124,000 European market electric and plug-in hybrid models were sold with chargers that contain the highly carcinogenic heavy metal cadmium. VW says the chargers came from a third party and that it didn't know about the cadmium, but the German government may soon force recall anyway. Find more on these stories over at theroadshow.com. We'll talk to you tomorrow.